Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. There are a multitude of symptoms linked to an EGR breakdown: loss of power, injection issues, appearance of warning lights. Using a flathead screwdriver, disconnect the power connector from the valve. Using a socket wrench and a T30 Torx socket, unscrew the 3 screws holding the EGR valve. The EGR valve is held by 3 screws. One of them is located behind the valve and is a little bit tricky to get to. You can use a crowbar to pry it. Take your time, it is a long and tedious process. You can now remove the EGR valve. Using a flathead screwdriver and a vacuum cleaner, clean away the carbon deposits clogging the elements connected to the EGR valve.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk EGR valve used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. You can now put the valve into place. Screw the holding screws back onto the valve back in. Reconnect the EGR valve. Reinstall the engine cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.